Hello viewers all over the world. Welcome to this platform. My name is Elegant Akpabio and I am super excited to be here today. Today is the first day of the year, the first day of the month. It's super amazing. So I want to welcome you to 2024. Happy New Year to you watching me wherever you are. I wish you the best of luck. I wish you God's favor and greatness this year 2024. All right, so hitting straight to the reason why I'm here today. All right, so it's about the Afro Music Talent show and also the MOVIESTAR quest. This is the season 3 of the Afro Music Talent show and also the season 2 of the MOVIESTAR quest. Proudly brought to you by the Elegant Empire Music and Films, which of course I serve as the project director for these two competitions. This is an online competition anyways, and it started on the 1st of December 2023 and ended on the 31st of December 2023. And interestingly, today I am here to announce the winners in these two respective competitions. It has been a very busy moment for us during the festive season, trying to work with the contestants and ensuring that all their votes count and ensuring that we put every necessity together to make sure that this competition comes out a success. And today, first day of the year, first day of the month, we are super excited. Me, together with my team members at the Elegant Empire Music and Films, we are super excited to bring to you the notice for the just concluded Afro Music Talent Show Season 3 and the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 2. All right, so before I go ahead to announce the winner, I know you're anxiously waiting to know who actually won in these competitions. All right, I want to also say a very big shout out to all the contestants who sent in their registration. They registered. The registration was actually free. We had a lot of people who registered, but these so much people did not stay with us till the end of the competition. Some of them fell off by the wayside. As the competition went on, some of them evicted themselves and the others stayed by. Congratulations to all of you who stayed by, and also to those of you who voted. In the Afro Music Talent show, we had only 22 people who voted amongst the so many people who registered. And even the 22 people who voted, we had very low number of votes in this season of the competition. It's really poor. The voting was really poor. Well, the winner manageably got up to 200 and something votes, which has never been a thing in the history of the Afro Music Talent show. Winners of this competition usually get up to 700 and something votes, sometimes 600 and something votes. The winner in the season 1 had 700 and something votes before he won. The winner in the season 2 had 600 and something votes, while the winner in season 3 manageably got up to 200 votes. The voting system, the voting routine in this edition, the season 3 of Afro Music, was really poor. But glory be to God, the show must continue. Yes, the show must go on. There is nothing that can stop the show. Whether contestants gave in their very best in their voting or they did not, the show must go on. All right, so congratulations to you, the winner of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 3. You tried your best and you are now the winner. You are one of the winners in the Afro Music competitions that we have done. This is the 3rd edition, so you are our number 3 winner. Congratulations to you. Then in the MOVIESTAR quest, we had only 8 people who voted out of the so much people who registered for the competition. I don't know why Nigerians just have this thing of jumping on anything that is called free, and then when they go through the process and then it gets to the point where they have to show their commitment and their seriousness, they all drift away. I was wondering why so many people that registered did not actually vote. But the voting system was told to all contestants from the first day they registered. From the first day they registered, we told everybody that there was going to be voting, and then they saw it on the guidelines that we sent to all contestants. But when we got to the voting time, just 8 people out of almost 100 people that registered for the competition and submitted their content, only 8 people voted. Out of the 8 people, we had only, I think, 4 people who have made it to be selected for both winner and the consolation prize. The rest fell below the selection process, which was really very discouraging. But anyways, the show must go on. Nothing stops the show. We are still going to do our very best for all the winners, all the contestants, and then we look forward to the next edition of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 4, which is coming up on the 1st of February 2024. All right, so Season 4 of Afro Music Talent Show is coming up on the 1st of February 2024. So don't miss it. It's going to be your opportunity to either win or be selected for consolation prize, which of course would be your one step forward into living your dreams as a music artist. Same thing applicable to the MOVIESTAR Quest. The Season 3 of the MOVIESTAR Quest is coming up on the same time, same date, which of course is the 1st of February 2024. So you have always wanted to act, you've always wanted to live your dreams in the movie industry. Stick around with us and be the first to register for the Season 3 of the MOVIESTAR Quest. And then, if you're a music artist, don't fail to do the same for the Season 4 of the Afro Music Talent Show. All right, so with no much ado, I want to go ahead and make public the people that have been selected for consolation prizes. Then I'm going to go ahead to read the second runner-ups and the first runner-ups and then the winners. All right, starting off with the MOVIESTAR Quest. All right, the MOVIESTAR Quest, we have Cynthia Amosu. Cynthia Amosu, wherever you are, you have been selected for consolation prizes. All right, so you are one of the people who have been selected for consolation prizes. Congratulations to you. All right, so now the second runner-up for the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 2 is no other person than Amarachi Harrison. Amarachi Harrison, wherever you are, congratulations to you. You are the second runner-up for the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 2. The next person is Alex Ebri. Alex Ebri, you are the first runner-up for the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 2. Congratulations to you, Mr. Alex. We love you so much from the stables of Elegant Empire. God bless you for all of your resilience, your efforts that you've put into this competition, and we want to see you at the top. Yes, because of course we have laid down plans and activities for you. All of you that have been selected, whether you are the winner or you're selected for the consolation prizes, we have laid down activities for you to actually take yourself into your dream life in the movie industry. All right, so finally, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to give it up to this person. She is an amazing personality. When we started the competition, I thought she was not going to get this far because the voting for her was quite low, but she kept on pushing. She kept on pushing. She kept on pushing. And on the last day, she surprised me. She came all out to beat Alex, who has been at the number 1 seat from the start of the competition till yesterday, which was the last day of the competition. Blessing Etido came all out to beat Alex with a total number of 155 votes, beating Alex, who has been on the number 1 seat. Alex right now had 125 votes during the grand finale, during the last day of the voting. Alex, you had 125 votes, and then Blessing came all out to beat you with a whooping 30 votes. Wow. So Blessing, congratulations to you. You're the winner of the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 2, coming all out with 155 votes. Thank you very much, Blessing. God bless you for all of your pushes. We want to see you living your dreams as an actor. That is why we are all here at the Elegant Empire Films, to make sure that we set that pace and that path for you to climb into stardom. God bless you, Blessing. God bless you all contestants in the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 2. See you in the next episode. All right. So that being said, let's get straight into the Afro music. So like I said before, we had 22 people who actually voted out of the so many people who contested in this competition. All right, out of these 22 people, we have just a few of them, I think 10 of them, who have been selected for consolation prizes. So these are the names of people that have been selected for consolation prizes. Pay attention. All right, the first person here is PC Choco. PC Choco, you scored a total number of 30 votes. You have been selected for consolation prizes. All right, the next person is JFY. JFY scored a total number of 33 votes. You have also been selected for consolation prize. The next person here is Eli. Eli, she is an amazing gospel artist who scored 42 votes in total. Eli, we love you so much, and you have been selected for consolation prizes. All right, so the next person here is Time Boy. Time Boy scored 47 votes. We have also selected you for consolation prizes. All right, so the next person here is Majesty Abdul. So Majesty, you scored a total number of 53 votes in this competition. Definitely you have been selected for consolation prizes. God bless you. All right, so the next person is Don Flex. Don Flex went up into 120 votes. Wow, amazing. Don Flex, congratulations to you. You have been selected for consolation prizes. All right, so the last person but not the least for consolation prizes is Skydot. Skydot scored a total number of 155 votes. Congratulations to you, Skydot, for doing this, for stepping all out to be our number 4 contestant in this competition. We love you so much. God bless you. All right, so now guys, the second runner-up for the Afro Music Talent Show Season 3 is no other person than Fidelis Prince. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Fidelis Prince. Fidelis Prince came all out and scored a total number of 172 votes in this competition. We love you so much. You tried all your best. You fought from the day one. You have been in the number 1 seat for almost throughout this competition. But as God may have it, these other 2 guys came all out and shifted you away from that position. We love you so much, Fidelis. We thank you so much for all your efforts that you've put into this competition. And we are assured that you're going to get to the top. Yes, definitely. Sure. All right. So the next person who is the first runner-up in this competition is no other person than NBA OC. NBA OC, congratulations to you. You emerged to be the first runner-up in this competition. We love you so much. You tried all your best. Congratulations to you. We want to see you at the top of your career with the Elegant Empire. You did fabulously well and you scored a total number of 175 votes. Just 3 votes ahead of Fidelis Prince, which is actually the second runner-up. All right. So, and now, ladies and gentlemen, this individual has been under the ground for a while. He has always put in his little efforts until the last day. This individual surprised me. I never believed that. Ladies and gentlemen, I never believed that Zach was going to be the winner of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 3. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Zach. He is the winner of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 3. Zach actually scored a total number of 201 votes. Fortunately for him, there was no other person who could beat him. He emerged the winner with 201 votes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Zach. God bless you for contesting in this competition, and God bless you for coming all out and pushing yourself to the top of this competition. We love you so much from the stables of Elegant Empire Music, and we want to see you live your dreams as a music artist with the help and the support of the Elegant Empire Music. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that is that for the competition. Both the Afro Music Talent Show Season 3 and the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 2. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, both the second runner-up, the first runner-up, and the winner in these 2 competitions are going to be awarded with an award of achievement together with their consolation prizes and their star prizes. So to you all contestants, stay with us on the official group chat of this competition for more information about how you're going to come all out to the office right here to claim your prizes. All right, so God bless you, ladies and gentlemen, for staying with me to the end of this video. I am rest assured that you are going to be one of the contestants in the next edition of these competitions, the Afro Music Talent Show Season 4 and the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 3, coming all up on the first day of February 2024. Don't be the last to register. Be the first to register, because I and my team are always going to be here to attend to you and to lead you through the process of the competition. Thank you very much. My name remains yours truly, Elegant Akpabio. I am the project director for these two competitions. Happy New Year once again, and make sure you enjoy your year. All right. For the winners of this competition and all that have been selected for the consolation prizes, I guess you have rightly started the year 2024 with good news and elevation into a greater possibility for your career as a music artist and also as a film actor. See you when you come around to our office. Remain blessed. Peace out.